Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing into Outlook with the account linked to OneDrive. This gives Outlook permission to attach and save files. Once done, make sure OneDrive is active and you have space, otherwise uploads will fail. Next, update your Outlook app or browser to the latest release so features behave predictably. These steps prevent access errors and ensure the Drive integration appears in Compose and Attachment menus, letting you move to attaching and sharing files immediately. You compose a message and click Attach, then browse cloud locations to reach OneDrive. When you pick files, decide whether to send a link or attach a copy. Links save bandwidth and keep files synced. Make sure to choose the correct folder, your personal OneDrive or a shared library, so recipients get expected access. After selecting, set permissions. Allow editing if collaboration is needed or restrict to view only. These choices control how recipients interact with the file. You finish by sending the message and verifying recipients can open the linked file. Ask for quick confirmation when it's important. You can also save received attachments directly to OneDrive by using Save to Cloud so everything stays organized. If someone reports access problems, immediately check sharing permissions and expiration settings. Revoke and reissue the link if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into Outlook and OneDrive to refresh tokens if permissions look correct but access still fails.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.